So hi guys, this is Borla Valvotronic exhaust. I just wanted to make a video before I was just going to dispatch it. So just started the packing, and so I just wanted to make a video before dispatching it. So just wanted to tell you people what all comes in the exhaust. This is the vacuum piping, this is electrical piping, this is the controller, this is the switch and everything, right? These are also one of the parts of the fittings which comes along. Plus in this you'll have the box, and you will get remote in this as well. These are the two remotes which come along. I don't know if you can see, these are the two remotes, 1, 2, right? This is a complete box packing which comes along. Let me show you people what else. This is the Borla Valvotronic. It's quite heavy, and this is the valve. Oh sorry, just got the call. So this is the Borla Pro XS model. Check out the valve. This is the valve. This is the valve which opens and closes. This is the dual tip model. So I'm just going to pack it and dispatch it, right? So now Instagram page itself on the front page. Thank you, bye bye. Now what we're doing is we're gonna pack it and dispatch it. Take care guys. Anybody wants to ask any queries or something can DM us, or just can WhatsApp or call us at the same number. The number is provided on